And it was all
YOLO.
Hello?
Sorry, I just wanted to hear you scream. Get back here, I'm not done.
I'm taking back the number of the beast, 'cause 6 is not a pretty number. 8 or 3 are definitely better. Eye for an eye, a leg for a leg, a shot in the heart doesn't make it unbig. She really didn't wanna make it messy. She really didn't, but the girl don't cry. Something for your mind, mind. Something for your mind.
You remind me of the babe.
What babe?
Babe with the power.
What power?
Power of voodoo. You do.
What?
Remind me of the babe.
Quiet! A goblin babe.
I'm a pretty girl.
And pretty girls are never lonely.
I feel like I will never get out. I'm trapped.
Tricky disco.
Toma. Quatro paredes, eu vou cantar contigo. Oi. Quatro paredes, eu vou cantar contigo. Oi.
Because if it's a new character, we're gonna have to redo this whole theme song. Whatever you say, kid. Could also mean you just have a jump start and losing your mind.
Free paper dragon ideas. Plus accessories for them. Enjoy.
They're all just jealous of how pretty I am.
Nice. Let's put the light here. That's it's from a movie, okay? It's a character that everyone can make. Own style, of course.
Okay, I'm just gonna get one, all right? It's just one, all right? How bad could one be? It's not that expensive. It's not, well, I mean, I have to get it a friend, right? I mean, who's he gonna talk to? He's gonna get bored. And you know, what if they get sick of each other? You know, they need a third guy. And honestly, I have 3. I might as well get the whole set, you know? I mean, like, why not? I mean, just complete it. I mean...
My beautiful niece is visiting me, and of course we had to create something together. She likes to make paper dragons, so she showed me how to make one. And I showed her how to incorporate elements of nature into her work. It was a long and a very messy process, but we had a lot of fun. She did such a great job. I'm so proud. If you want to see the finished dragons, please go to her profile tag below and show her some love.
Please make more. Please make more just like that.
Make more of your stuff it sounds very chill, very mellow.
It's really
You're not trying too hard.
Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go.